Have you ever wondered about the individuals who have shaped the business landscape of India? One such figure was Subrata Roy, a man who left a lasting imprint on the Indian business world. Born on the 10th of June 1948, Roy was a beacon of entrepreneurial spirit known fondly as Sahara Shri. His journey, stretching over 7 decades, culminated in the development of the Sahara India Parawar, one of India's most influential business conglomerates. Subrata Roy's story begins in the humble town of Araria, where he was born into a Bengali Hindu family. His parents, Sudhir Chandra Roy and Chabi Roy, hailed from Dhaka, Bikrampur. Roy's educational journey took him from the Holy Child Institute in Kolkata to studying mechanical engineering at the Government Technical Institute in Gorakhpur. It was in Gorakhpur that Roy initiated his first business. In the year 1976, Roy joined Sahara Finance, a company that was struggling to stay afloat. He took it over and transformed its financial model into a residuary non-banking company that accepted deposits of very low amounts, marking the beginning of his foray into the financial world. The year 1978 was a landmark year for Roy as he founded Sahara India Parawar. The company, which started with a modest chit fund business, evolved into a massive conglomerate. It operated in a vast array of industries, including real estate, media, entertainment, tourism, healthcare, and hospitality. In the early 90s, Roy moved to Lucknow, which became the base for his burgeoning group. The company expanded its reach with the launch of the Hindi-language newspaper, Rashtriya Sahara, in 1992. By the end of the decade, the ambitious Ambi Valley City project near Pune was initiated. The turn of the millennium saw the launch of Sahara TV, which was later renamed Sahara One. Sahara India Parawar's growth was relentless, and by the year 2004, it had become the second largest employer in India, according to Time magazine. The company operated through more than 5,000 establishments across India, employing around 1.2 million people. In the following years, Sahara India Parawar's influence extended beyond Indian borders. In 2010, the company purchased the iconic Grosvenor House Hotel in London. 2 years later, it acquired the historic Plaza Hotel and Dream Downtown Hotel in New York City. Subrata Roy's influence was not confined to the business world. He was also a pioneer in the field of education, laying the groundwork for an online education platform, Edunguru, targeted at small towns and villages. His vision extended to the automobile sector as well, with the launch of Sahara Evels, a brand offering a wide range of electric vehicles in June 2019. On the 14th of November 2023, Subrata Roy passed away, leaving behind a legacy that will continue to shape the Indian business landscape for generations to come. His life and achievements are a testament to his entrepreneurial spirit, relentless perseverance, and the ability to turn adversity into opportunity. Subrata Roy's story is a powerful reminder of how one individual can change the face of an industry, influence millions of lives, and leave a lasting legacy. His journey from a simple town in Araria to becoming one of the most influential businessmen in India is an inspiration for all.